Okay, so first of all, welcome you all to the class today. There was this quote I was reading and I wanted to share with you all that says that the only way to learn mathematics is to actually do mathematics. ठीक है, maths अगर आपको सीखना है तो the only way you can learn it is you have to do it. You have to practice it. Without practicing or doing the sums, you would not be able to get mathematics. ठीक है, so therefore we'll be focusing more on practicing mathematics and trying to do the sums as many times as we can. ठीक है, जब तक हमसे नहीं होगा we'll all try to do the sums so that we are able to solve it. जैसे अश्विनी ने मुझे बताया कि she had doubts in multiplication, she could not solve the homework, and I appreciate that because she was being very honest about it. Now when she'll practice, she'll be able to do multiplication in a better way. ठीक है, so I expect same from you all. Okay, good. Moving forward, let us just sit back, relaxed, breathe in and breathe out. Focus on our breathing. I prefer breathing in from our nose and then exhaling from mouth. है ना, तो सांस लो and leave it from your mouth. ठीक है, try doing it for a minute so that we ground ourselves and we are ready for the class. Okay, breathe in and then breathe out from your mouth. That will help you relax. I can see you all practicing. I love how Harshita is in her school uniform. Great. I hope those who have switched off their videos are also doing it. This exercise helps us to refocus, relax, and ground ourselves. Try practicing it जब भी ना बहुत nervousness, tension या कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा हो. Try practicing this exercise. ठीक है? Breathe from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. Yes? Great. Okay, we quickly come back. Let us all just clap or ऐसे चुटकियां बजाओ so that you gain your focus back. ठीक है? Let us all come back. We can clap if you want. Clap or smart thumping. We can do this. ठीक है? So that we all come back to the class. Now, give me a thumbs up if you all are ready to start with the class. Good going, ready to start with the class. Thank you, guys. Okay, so here are the norms for the maths class. We'll all focus. Very important. Courage. Why do I keep saying we need to show courage? Who will tell me? Why do I keep saying we need courage in the classroom? Ashwini, would you want to?
Yes, Didi.
Why do I keep saying that you should display courage in the classroom?
Didi, because for know everything. That's why.
Okay, let me thank you for attempting, Ashwini. Let me give chance to Krishna. Yes, Krishna.
Courage means that we should be brave to ask the question.
Yes, absolutely correct, right? There might be many questions that we may come across while we are in the class. We should be brave enough to not think about anything else, but display courage, ask questions, give answers. Even if we think we are wrong, we should give answers. We should not fear, right? So it's important that we display courage. Maths hai, as I told you, jab tak karoge nahi, you won't get it. So we'll keep doing until we get how to do things right, right? So we'll not give up. And finally, we'll participate. This is our classroom. This is for us to learn. So we'll all participate as much as we can. Okay, quickly moving forward. I have two do nows for you. Sabse pehle we'll start with the first one. And I'll ask Rohan to quickly unmute himself and read the first one in the purple box. Rohan. Rohan, quickly unmute yourself.
Yes, Didi.
Read the first task.
There are 365 days in an year. Each day has 24 hours. Calculate the total number of hours in an year.
Okay, thank you so much, Rohan, for reading it so well. So you have this do now. आपको chat box पे इसका आंसर मुझे बताना है. That if there are 365 days in 1 year, एक साल में 365 days होते हैं, and every day there are 24 hours. हर दिन में 24 hours होते हैं. So you have to calculate. How will you calculate कि कितने hours पूरे साल में होते हैं? Type on the chat box. If you can't multiply quickly, sorry, I told you how to do it, but then quickly just tell me how will you find out the number of hours. Please read the question carefully and then tell me how will you find out the total number of hours in an year. Okay, Karthik actually gave me the answer. Siddiq, Sindhu, Lakshman, please read the question again. Rethink how will you find out total number of hours. एक दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं, तो 365 days में कितने hours होंगे? ठीक है, think and then tell me how will you find out. Thank you, Krishna, Karthik, Ankita, for typing on the chat box. Yes, Karthik. Okay, thank you, Vinaya. Thank you, Rohan. श्रुति, फिर से पढ़ो क्वेश्चन. एक दिन में 24 आवर्स है, तो 365 डेज में कितने आवर्स होंगे? हाउ विल वी फाइंड आउट? ओके, ठीक है. थैंक यू निवेदिता, अश्विनी, सिंधु. वेटिंग फॉर अदर्स टू आल्सो रिस्पॉन्ड ऑन द चैट बॉक्स गाइस, क्विकली. थैंक यू दीक्षा, नितिन, शनि, अखिल. Okay, I would like to know, I'd like to hear from Karthik. Karthik, how did you find out? What did you think and how did you find out?
Multiplies the days 2 with hours.
क्यों हमने multiply किया, Karthik? Why do you think we will multiply?
Because the hours are repeating.
Because?
The hours are repeating.
Okay, because the hours are repeating, right? एक दिन में 24 hours होते हैं, तो 2 दिन में कितने होंगे? 24 plus 24, that is 48. 3 दिन में कितने होंगे? 24 plus 24 plus 24. This is how there would be repeated addition happening here to find out कि 365 days में कितने hours. And therefore we will use multiplication. So we will find out, we will actually multiply 24 with 365 to get the total number of hours in 1 year. Okay, great. Quickly moving, those who were wrong about it, those who were thinking in a different way, प्लीज नो कि जब भी रिपीटेड एडिशन आ रहा होता है तब हम मल्टीप्लीकेशन करते हैं, राइट? अगर एक दिन में 24 आवर्स हैं तो 2 दिन में कितने होंगे? 48 आवर्स. 3 दिन में कितने होंगे? 72 आवर्स. वी विल कीप एडिंग 24 रिपीटेडली एंड देयरफॉर अगर हमें 365 डेज में निकालना है, सो वी विल क्विकली मल्टीप्लाई 365 into 24. ठीक है? अगर अभी क्लैरिटी नहीं आई है, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट इवन इफ इट इज रॉन्ग. वी विल डू अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दीज वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स टुडे एंड यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व. ओके, नाउ माय सेकंड क्वेश्चन, second do now is very interesting and I want everybody to be solving this. Okay, let me just invite one of you to quickly read what is the second do now. Who will read? Okay, Lakshman, can you read the question for us? Unmute yourself and read the second question for us.
Yes, Didi. How many hours do you see your mobile in one day? Calculate total numbers of hours you will spend on your mobile in an year.
Right? So Lakshman, we have two parts to this question, right? पहला part है, you have to think how many hours of mobile phone do you use in one day. ठीक है? अगर आपकी 3 hours या 4 hours की क्लास होती है and then उसके बाद आप होमवर्क करते हो, उसके बाद थोड़ी देर खेलते भी हो फोन से, so think कितने घंटे के लिए you use your mobile phone in a day. ठीक है? सबसे पहले think answer to this question. And then अगर एक दिन में suppose you use it for 5 hours or 6 hours, ये एक दिन में आप यूज करते हो, you have to find out the total number of hours that you will spend on your mobile in 1 year. ठीक है? जस्ट अभी ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में भी सॉ कि एक ईयर में 365 डेज होते हैं, राइट? सो नाउ थिंक and calculate and type on the chat box your response. Type on the chat box. Okay.
Okay.
And those who are typing that you spend only 1 hour on mobile, very wrong. हाँ, 1 घंटे से ज्यादा की तो रोज क्लास होती है. How can you even spend 1 hour on mobile, right? So be very honest, huh? Okay. So Karthik has his response already. Waiting for others. Thank you, Nivedita. Thank you, Krishna. Krishna, you answered the first part of the question, right? You use it for 4 to 6 hours. Just consider it 5 hours or an average of 4 or 6 and then calculate for the entire year as well. Thank you, Roshini. Roshini, please calculate. अगर एक दिन में you use it for 10 hours, then पूरे साल में कितने hours के लिए you use your phone? Similar response to Sindhu as well. Okay, thank you, Harshada. Rohan, how come this less? I don't believe. Okay, great. Thank you, Krishna, for being so specific. Okay, let me ask one of you to unmute yourself. Nitin, Shani, Akhil, you all are together in the class, right? So please
Yes,
unmute
Didi.
yourself. And first, tell me how many hours do you use your mobile in one day?
Didi, I use my mobile only 1 hour.
How is this possible? 1 घंटे से ज्यादा की तो क्लास ही होती है बच्चे. Include your classes as well.
खुद के लिए यूज करता हूँ, वो स्टडी के लिए वो अलग.
हाँ नहीं तो इंक्लूड एवरीथिंग. हाँ पूरे दिन फोन यूज कर रहे हो तो क्लास के लिए भी कर रहे हो, होमवर्क के लिए भी कर रहे हो. सो इंक्लूड एवरीथिंग दैट यू डू ऑन योर फोन. Okay, think and calculate. जब तक I'll ask one of you. Lucky.
Didi, my 3 hours.
Okay, 3 hours. Fine.
Didi, my 8 hours. Didi, my 8 hours.
This is being very honest. Yes, 8 hours I understand. So now calculate कि पूरे साल में
Didi,
कितने
my
करोगे.
5 hours. Didi, my 5 hours.
Okay. Calculate for the entire year. Thank you, Nitin, Shani, Akhil. Let me just ask Lucky to unmute himself and explain how will we attempt this. How will we find answer to this question? Yes, Lucky.
I spent total hour 5.
Okay, so Lucky spends 5 hours a day
5
on
to
his
6.
mobile phone. Okay, how will you find out the total number of hours in 1 year?
We will multiply the year, total days and total hours.
Yes, exactly correct. है ना? Total days कितने होते हैं 1 year में?
365.
Yes, 365 days in 1 year. Each day you spend 5 hours. So you will multiply 5 with 365. Okay. So most of you are writing 3, 5, 8 or 10 hours as well. So what you will do is quickly multiply number of hours in one day with 365. राइट क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी रिपीटेड एडिशन होगा. हर दिन अगर 5 घंटे कर रहे हो तो एक दिन 5, 2 दिन हो जाएंगे 5 + 5 10 hours, 3 दिन हो जाएंगे 5 + 5 + 5 that is 15 hours. So we can see there is a repeated addition. So what we can do is we can directly multiply to find out how many total hours do we spend in a year on our mobile phones. Thank you so much Vinayak, Sindhu for sharing and Vinayak for being so specific. So what I wanted to actually tell is that ideally we should not be using our mobiles for more than 3 hours a day. ठीक है, पर होता ये है कि we have our classes and then we have to do our homeworks as well. So थोड़ा सा extend हो जाता है, but ideally the time spent on mobile phone in 1 year should not exceed 1095 hours. But we'll have to see हम कितना ज़्यादा use कर रहे हैं अपना mobile phone. ठीक है. So just think of कि अगर 1095 hours करने चाहिए ideally और हम suppose 2920 जैसे नितिन, शनि और अखिल ने बोला 2920 hours spend कर रहे हैं, to find out how many excess hours are we spending on phone. कितने ज़्यादा घंटे हम phone पे spend कर रहे हैं. I would like to hear from Vinayak. Vinayak, tell me how will we actually calculate कि कितने excess hours हम spend कर रहे हैं phone पे.
Didi, the extras we are spending on the phone by the classes where the classes are of total classes average is 3 hours of the total classes. Because the half hour is Marathi class and this means 1
Okay,
hour
yes,
and
Vinayak, I got you. मैं समझ गई कि तुमने कैसे कैलकुलेट किया. I am asking कि whatever hours you spend, तुमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया कि तुम सपोज 2000 आवर्स 1 ईयर में स्पेंड करते हो मोबाइल पे, ठीक है. पर मैं बता रही हूँ कि 1095 आवर्स से ज्यादा नहीं स्पेंड करना चाहिए मोबाइल पे. हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट कि तुम कितना ज्यादा घंटे स्पेंड कर रहे हो मोबाइल पे? हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट दिस? आई एम आस्किंग दिस. यस.
Didi, the total hours first we will find, then after the total hours, then we will minus by 1900, then we will get the actual hours that we use extra.
Absolutely brilliant, right? This is how we will find out. अगर 1095 आवर्स स्पेंड करने चाहिए और मैं 2200 आवर्स स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, हाउ विल आई फाइंड आउट कि कितना ज्यादा कर रही हूँ? आई विल सब्सट्रैक्ट, ठीक है, मेरे टोटल से आई विल माइनस 1095 एंड वी विल फाइंड आउट कि हम कितना ज्यादा फोन यूज कर रहे हैं आइडियल यूजेज टाइम से. ओके, so this was a quick do now to pump you up, to make you understand what word problems are और कैसे हम वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स को अप्रोच करते हैं, कैसे हम सॉल्यूशंस फाइंड कर सकते हैं. दीज आर ऑल रियल लाइफ थिंग्स, दीज आर ऑल रिलेटेबल थिंग्स जो हमारे साथ होती हैं. ओके, एंड दिस इज हाउ वी कैन यूज मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन आवर लाइफ. ओके, वी विल एक्सप्लोर इट थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस and I am sure you will be able to understand how to solve word problems very quickly. ठीक है, so this is how our week for multiplication looks like. हमने कल की क्लास में समझा था कि how do we multiply using long multiplication method. आज की क्लास में we'll do a lot of practice on word problems of multiplication so that we are confident about it. And then we will also talk about our challenges and fears with division. ठीक है, a lot of you told me कि दीदी division में problem आता है. We will talk about it in today's class. And then in tomorrow's class, I'll be telling you certain tips and tricks of multiplication so that you can easily and quickly do multiplication. ठीक है, we'll also understand what is the relationship between division, multiplication and what is this division all about. ये हम कल की क्लास में करेंगे. Okay, so if you are good to go and we understand कि आज की क्लास में हम क्या करेंगे, give me a quick reaction. Any reaction would work quickly. Thank you guys. Thank you Ashwini, Sabia. Thank you Krishna. Thank you for so many different reactions. Great. So quickly moving forward now. So multiplication word problems is what we will be doing today. How to solve a problem. ठीक है, अगर ऐसे स्टेटमेंट लिखा है तो कैसे हम उस स्टेटमेंट को सॉल्व करेंगे is what we will learn. So just listen to me very carefully. ठीक है, जब भी हमारे पास वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? सबसे पहले we should read the problem statement carefully. बहुत ध्यान से हमें प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट पढ़ना चाहिए. 2 बार पढ़ो, 3 बार पढ़ो, तब तक पढ़ो जब तक एक्चुअली समझ में ना आ जाए कि है क्या प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, what is the statement telling us about? Reread until we understand. Okay, first point. Second, हर प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में कुछ चीजें पहले से दी हुई होती हैं. ठीक है, जैसे अभी हम पढ़ रहे थे कि there are 365 days in a year, तो ऑलरेडी उस स्टेटमेंट में दिया हुआ था कि there are 365 days in a year. तो जो भी ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है प्रॉब्लम में, सबसे पहले हमें वो नोट कर लेना चाहिए. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमें क्या करना चाहिए? पूछा क्या है प्रॉब्लम में, एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन क्या है, क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, वो नोट कर लेना चाहिए. राइट, जैसे आई जस्ट क्विकली टेल यू. अभी जो हमने सॉल्व किया, फर्स्ट वाला देखेंगे. ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है कि देयर आर 365 डेज इन अ ईयर. ये भी दिया हुआ है कि हर दिन में 24 आवर्स होते हैं. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट वील नोट डाउन कि ये दिया हुआ है. फिर हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि हमें करना क्या है. एक्चुअली यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट टोटल नंबर ऑफ आवर्स इन अ ईयर. तो मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है कि एक साल में कितने घंटे होते हैं. राइट, तो आधी प्रॉब्लम तो हमारी ऐसे ही सॉल्व हो जाती है क्योंकि पहले से सब कुछ डेटा पॉइंट्स दिए हुए होते हैं और हमें पता होता है कि हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है, बस एक बार अगर हमें पता चल गया कि हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, उसके बाद फिर हम अपना लॉजिक अप्लाई करके उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो these are the quick steps that we should follow when we are solving a word problem. ठीक है, Harshada, can you quickly unmute yourself and tell us what are the steps that we should follow to solve word problems? Harshada.
Didi, first is read the problem statement carefully.
हम्म,
Reread until you understand it.
मतलब इसका
And
क्या मतलब हुआ?
second,
इसका क्या मतलब
now
हुआ?
उसका मतलब हुआ कि जो स्टेटमेंट है ना वो हमें अच्छी तरह से समझा के पढ़ना चाहिए.
राइट, जब तक पढ़ना चाहिए जब तक हमें समझ नहीं आता कि क्या लिखा है, राइट? सो
Yes.
रीड
And
तब तक नहीं समझ. ओके,
and
नेक्स्ट स्टेप.
second,
नेक्स्ट स्टेप
note
क्या?
down the already mentioned data points.
मतलब
Means we have to note down that
जो ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड लिखा डेटा दिया हुआ है ना, प्रॉब्लम, हर प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में पहले से कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन दी हुई होती है, तो जो इंफॉर्मेशन पहले से दी हुई है उसको नोट डाउन कर लो. ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट वी मीन बाय इट. ओके, थैंक यू Harshada. Thank you Harshada. I'll ask somebody else to tell us the next steps. Okay, let me invite Sufyan. Sufyan, can you quickly unmute and tell us what are the next steps? Sufyan Mulani, please quickly unmute yourself. Yes, you may also note it down in your notebooks कि क्या करना चाहिए हमें word problem solve करने के लिए. Note down these steps in your notebooks as well. लिख लो, ठीक है, so that you remember. Sufyan, if you are there in the class, please unmute yourself or type on the chat box so that I know that you are there. And in the interest of time, I'll ask somebody else to please type. To please respond. Dhanshri, you tell me what is the next step. अब हमने data points note कर लिए जो already दिया हुआ था. उसके बाद हमें क्या करना चाहिए?
Didi, we have to multiply.
No, I am asking you the steps. कैसे solve करना चाहिए? कोई word problem है?
Note down the already mentioned data points.
हाँ, उसके बाद
Note down what you need to find.
इसका मतलब
ये लिखो जिसे हमें ढूंढना है.
right, whatever we have to find out, क्या पूछा गया है प्रॉब्लम में, क्या फाइंड आउट करना है वो हमें लिखना चाहिए. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद क्या करना चाहिए धनश्री?
Solve the problem in order of get the solution.
ठीक है, फिर हमें अपना लॉजिक अप्लाई करना चाहिए, ये सोचना चाहिए कि कैसे इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, एंड देन फाइनली वी शुड आंसर द वी शुड ट्राई टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द स्टेप्स दैट वी शुड फॉलो व्हाइल अप्रोचिंग अ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, so quickly note it down if you want to. I'll give you some time to note it down quickly, and then we can move forward with examples so that you know how to solve it. ठीक है, I can see a few of you noting it down. Nivedita, Ashwini, Nasima, I can see you all. Vinayak. I hope those whose videos are off are also noting it down. Great, thank you for the reaction, guys. Great. Cool. So I'll be moving forward. If you could not complete writing it down, please take a screenshot of it and you can complete your classwork later. Okay. Moving forward, I'll do a quick poll. ठीक है, सबसे पहले आप सब मुझे बताओगे कि how confident do you feel in solving multiplication problems. अब हमने multiplication के बारे में पढ़ा लास्ट क्लास में, उसके पहले भी डिस्कस किया था, हमने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस भी करे. Tell me how confident do you feel in solving multiplication problems. 0 means no, I don't know how to multiply. To 5 means I'm very confident and I can solve multiplication. You can be in between as well. Thank you Mayuri, Ashwini, Sindhu and others who are typing. Thank you Vinayak, Lucky, Karan, Shruti, Krishna, Sabia, Sara, Nitin, Diksha, Kirti, Ankita. Okay, I can see a few of you are at a 3 or at a 4 and it is okay. ठीक है, अगर आपको नहीं आता है, कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो, इट्स ओके. आज की क्लास में भी हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन के प्रॉब्लम्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. मैं फिर से समझाऊंगी, प्लीज बहुत केयरफुली देखना कि हाउ डू वी मल्टीप्लाई. वी विल ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम अंडरस्टैंड कि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है, अगर इसके बाद भी नहीं कॉन्फिडेंस आता है हमें तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वी कैन रिपीट इट अगेन. ठीक है, so don't worry about it. Thank you for being honest and thank you for typing on the chat box as well. Moving forward, I invite one of you to quickly read. Roshni, can you read it? Can you unmute yourself and read it? Roshni. Roshni, you have to unmute yourself, bache. Please respond to me on the chat box as to if you are in the class and you can hear me. Now, Rohini, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, Didi.
Quickly read what is written on the screen.
Helping Chutki using multiplications. Hello everyone, my name is Chutki. I stay and work with my mother. My mother is ill. I do all the work. This is very hard. I am sorry. Can you help? Sad. Can you help me with my work?
Yes, Rohini, क्या मतलब हुआ? Whatever you have read, what did you understand from it?
I am helping with the multiplication. मतलब मैं help कर रही हूँ multiplication के लिए. Hello everyone.
Okay, Rohini, you can just quickly tell me क्या समझ में आया? Don't just translate, just quickly tell me क्या समझ आया?
चुटकी बोल रही कि मेरी मम्मी बीमार है और मम्मी का हेल्प कर रही है.
Right. So she has a lot of work. This is Chutki. Okay, you can see Chutki here, and she stays with her mother and works with her mother. And her mother has fallen sick. She is ill. Now Chutki has to do all the work. Okay, and the work is very hard. And she is like a bit upset. जब हमें भी बहुत सारा काम करना पड़ता है, हम भी दुखी हो जाते हैं. She needs help, and she is asking if you will help her with her work. So just tell me, will you all help Chutki? Yes or no? Type on the chat box, guys. Thank you, Krishna, for being so affirmative that yes, he will help her. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Ashwini, Maurya, Yogita, Omkar. Okay, I got one response wherein Karan doesn't want to help Chutki. Why, Karan? Why don't you want to help her? Karan, why don't you want to help Chutki? It's okay, it's okay. No problem. No need to be sorry. It's okay. We'll all help Chutki, okay? So first task, चुटकी को जो काम करना है उसका फर्स्ट टास्क है, we'll all बहुत केयरफुली देखेंगे कि how दीदी is approaching the problem and how am I solving the problem. ठीक है, सबसे पहले सिर्फ दीदी क्या कर रही है वो देखेंगे. You can also note down how I am doing it. Okay, so first I will read my problem statement. My problem, let me just annotate as well. So my problem statement is that there are 27 boxes in my house. ठीक है, तो मेरे घर में 27 boxes हैं. यहाँ पे मेरा मतलब चुटकी, right? We are helping Chutki. So Chutki has 27 boxes in her house. There are 180 pieces of chocolate per box. हर box में 180 pieces of chocolates are there. ठीक है, तो 27 box है और हर box में 180 chocolates है. ठीक है, how many chocolates do I have in total? So now Chutki wants to know कि कितनी चॉकलेट्स हैं एक्चुअली उसके पास अभी. ठीक है, सो कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं हम वर्ड प्रॉब्लम? सबसे पहले मैं रीड करूंगी, मल्टीपल टाइम्स रीड करूंगी जब तक मैं समझ नहीं पाऊँ. राइट, सो आई रेड द प्रॉब्लम, मुझे समझ में आ गया कि क्या प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, सेकेंड स्टेप मैं नोट डाउन करूंगी कि क्या क्या ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट थिंग दैट इज गिवन, I will also show you on screen. So the first thing that is given is total number of boxes in the house, that is 27. So I will note down. ठीक है, पहली चीज मैंने नोट डाउन की. ओके, सेकेंड चीज जो दी हुई है वो ये है कि हर बॉक्स में 180 पीसेस है. So I will note down pieces of chocolates per box, that is 180. ठीक है, Now what I have to find out, मुझे find out करना है how many chocolates do I have in total. So I will write total number of chocolates and how will I find out? अगर एक बॉक्स में 180 है तो दो बॉक्स में कितनी होगी 180 प्लस 180, तीन बॉक्स में कितनी होगी 180 प्लस 180 प्लस 180, so 27 बॉक्सेस में कितनी होगी उसको फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम क्विकली मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ठीक है, क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस and total number of chocolates in each box, right? So I will multiply 180 with 27 and I will get my answer. ठीक है? So the answer is 4860. Now I know some of you have problems in multiplication as well. So I will also multiply and tell you कि कैसे हमने multiply किया, right? So 180 into, हम सही प्लेसेस पे लिखेंगे अपने नंबर्स. ठीक है, ये गलती नहीं करेंगे. सो 180 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7. ठीक है, वी विल स्टार्ट विथ 7 into 0. क्विकली टाइप ऑन द चैट बॉक्स एज आई एम डूइंग. ठीक है, 7 into 0 क्या होता है? किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? 0, राइट? ओके, ग्रेट, थैंक यू. देन 7 8 जा, फिर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 7 into 8. 7 8 जा 56. ओके, सो हियर विल कम 6 और 5 क्या हो जाएगा? 5 विल बी कैरीड ओवर. ठीक है, अब ऊपर हो गया कैरी ओवर 5. 7 1 जा 7 एंड देन 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 कितना होगा? What will be 7 plus 5? Right, it will be 12. ठीक है, so here will come 1. Sorry, let me just write it properly. Space. Okay. अब उसके बाद क्योंकि 2 डिजिट है हम नीचे आएंगे और यहाँ पे क्रॉस या प्लस, जो भी क्रॉस या जीरो जो भी आपको लगाना हो आप लगा सकते हो. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 10th प्लेस. फिर हम करेंगे 2 into 0 क्या होगा? 0. 8 2 जा क्या होता है? 16. सो आई राइट 6 हियर. 1 विल बी कैरीड ओवर. ठीक है, 2 1 जा 2 प्लस 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 3. सो 360, राइट? अब हम इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. ठीक है, हाउ विल बी ऐड इट? ऐड करने के बाद व्हाट विल बी आवर सम? इट विल बी 4 8 6 0. ठीक है, दिस इज हाउ वी डू मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ द नंबर्स. ठीक है, सबको समझ में आया हाउ आई डिड इट? दीदी ने कैसे किया? डिड वी अंडरस्टैंड? इफ वी डिड प्लीज गिव मी अ थम्स अप. इफ वी डिड अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे हमने आंसर फाइंड आउट किया, give me a thumbs up and thank you for typing on the chat box as well. Thank you Manjushri. What about Rohan, Diksha, Aryan? समझ में आया? Thank you Abhishek. Thank you Shruti, Sakshi, Kirti, Nasima. Okay, if you still have some doubt and if you want to ask a question regarding this, please raise your hand. किसी को doubt है so please raise your hand. Yes, Harshada.
Didi, you have multiplied 7 by 8, na?
Yes. पहले 7 into 0, फिर 7 into 8, that is 56. तो 6 यहाँ लिखा, 5 carried over, फिर 7 into 1 plus 5 ऐसा हो जाएगा, that is 12.
Okay.
है ना? समझ में आया? पहले हम 1
Yes.
प्लेस वाले डिजिट को सारे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर 2 प्लेस वाले को करेंगे एंड देन वी एड इट. ओनली थिंग वी हैव टू रिमेंबर इज कि जब हम 10th प्लेस वाले नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा जो सम है वो 10th प्लेस से ही लिखना शुरू करेंगे, इसीलिए 1 प्लेस के नीचे इधर भी पुट अ क्रॉस और अ जीरो. ओके, ठीक है?
Yes.
समझ आया? यस और नो? ओके, थैंक यू हर्षदा. ठीक है, अगर अभी भी कुछ डाउट था, क्लियर नहीं हो पाया तो टेंशन नहीं लो, वील प्रैक्टिस वन मोर क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, लेट मी जस्ट क्लियर द ड्राइंग्स एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है, वील प्रैक्टिस अनदर क्वेश्चन, दैट इज टास्क 2. ओके, नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन वी विल डू टुगेदर. हम दोनों साथ में करेंगे, सो यू विल हेल्प मी टू डू इट. ठीक है, अगर समझ में आ गया है तो आई विल आस्क वन ऑफ यू टू प्लीज अनम्यूट एंड रीड द क्वेश्चन. Shruti, can you unmute yourself and read the question? Shruti. Okay, Yogita, I will keep that in mind. Shruti, quickly unmute yourself if you're there in the class. And one of you, please note down that Rohini and Abhi Shruti isn't unmuting. And there was one more person, I'll check the recording, who did not reply to me. You know you will get negative points on Class Dojo if you don't unmute yourself when I'm asking, right? Karan is getting very restless. Karan, you only unmute yourself and read the question for us.
I have to make Didi
Yes. Wait, Shruti. Yes, Karan.
laddus to help my mother in completing her order. There are 165 boxes and I need to put 12 laddus in each box. How many total laddus do I have to prepare?
Yes. Thank you for reading, Karan. Tell me, how will we solve this? कैसे solve करेंगे हम इसे? What is the first step? Yes, Karan. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? I cannot hear you, बच्चे. कुछ तो बोलो. What happened? बताओ कैसे solve करेंगे प्रॉब्लम को? हमने पढ़ा अभी, क्या मतलब समझ में आया आपको और कैसे इसको solve करेंगे?
हम जो 165 पे उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 12 से.
हाँ जी, आपने मुझे बता दिया द लॉजिक कैसे सॉल्व करना है, पर मुझे बताओ कौन से स्टेप्स हम फॉलो करेंगे. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? What is the first step that we will do? Yes, Sadan, I'll give you the chance. Wait. Yes, Karan, bolo. What is the first step? टेंशन नहीं लो, आराम से, जो भी समझ आता है. यू आर डूइंग इट राइट. आपने करेक्ट बताया मुझे, लॉजिक सही है, ऐसे ही करेंगे. बट हाउ डू आई स्टार्ट? जब भी हमारे पास वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है, सबसे पहले व्हाट डू आई डू?
We will give first 165, then 12.
Okay, no problem, Karan. Thank you. Your answer, your approach is correct. I would still want to hear from somebody that how will we start it. I'll give chance to Sadan. He wanted to speak. Yes, Sadan, aap batao, how will we do it?
Yes, Didi.
कैसे करेंगे? What are the steps that we will follow?
Multiply करेंगे.
जी, वो हमें समझ आया. ठीक है, अभी हमने आपको स्टेप्स बताए थे कि कौन से स्टेप्स हम फॉलो करते हैं कोई भी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए. सबसे पहले हम रीड
पहले आएगा 165.
क्या है 165? व्हाट इज 165?
मल्टीप्लाई पहले 165 आएगा.
व्हाट इज 165 नंबर? क्या है 165?
मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं ना हम अब.
Okay, Sadan, no problem. You are not understanding my question, I suppose. मैं फिर से repeat करती हूँ, सब लोग ध्यान से सुनो. Okay, we have a problem statement. ठीक है, चुटकी की हमें help करना है, and this is the problem that चुटकी is having. ठीक है, there are some data points given in the problem statement. There is something that we have to find in the statement. ठीक है, हमने पढ़ा था कि सबसे पहले हम statement को अच्छे से read करेंगे, समझेंगे. Second step is हम नोट डाउन करेंगे वो डेटा पॉइंट्स जो ऑलरेडी दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है, सो यू आर सेइंग 165. व्हाट इज 165? 165 is the boxes that are present in her house. ठीक है, 165 total boxes are there in the house. So we will note down कि total number of boxes कितने हैं house में? 165. Second step, there are 12 laddus that we can put in each box. ठीक है, so we will write that pieces of laddus जो हमें box में डालने हैं, that is 12. Then what we will do? we'll have to write down कि हमें find क्या करना है. So we have to actually find out कि कितने लड्डूस total चुटकी को prepare करने हैं. So now we will apply the logic कि अगर एक box में 12 लड्डूस रखने हैं और 165 boxes हैं, तो what is my logic? I will multiply. जो करण और साधन मुझे बता रहे थे, ठीक है? But these are the steps that I was asking कि कौन से steps हम follow करेंगे before jumping into our logic, ठीक है? ये तो बहुत सिंपल डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है, तो हमको मिल गया आंसर, राइट? बट जब कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम ये समझें कि व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स दैट आई विल फॉलो सो दैट आई एम एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, ठीक है? जब हमें सिंपल से क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं, हम बहुत क्विकली जंप कर देते हैं अपने लॉजिक पे. ओके, वी विल नॉट डू दैट. वी विल फॉलो सर्टेन स्टेप्स टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ, मैं फाइनली अपना कंक्लूजन कैसे पहुंचूंगा. ओके, so since now we understood ki kya steps hai, we will now quickly multiply 165 with 12 and we'll get our answer. Okay, now I want one of you to explain how you will multiply 165 with 12. Okay, who would do this for me? Let me just ask somebody who hasn't spoken yet. Okay, Krishna, can you quickly unmute yourself and tell us how will we actually multiply 165 and 12?
First we multiply 2 into 5.
Just a second, let me just write down. ठीक है? We will first, पहला step हमेशा we will remember that we will write the numbers in proper places. ठीक है? हमने place value देखा है, हम सही places में अपने numbers को पहले लिखेंगे. And then, what is the first step we'll do is, Krishna, we will
5 into 2. Oh, sorry, 2 into 5.
Yeah, so we'll start with 165 को पहले हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. उसके लिए हम पहले 5 into 2 करेंगे. That will be 5
10.
10. 1 will be carried.
Carry.
Then क्या
Yes.
करेंगे?
Then we will multiply 2 into 6.
That is
2 6 are 12.
right. 12 and
And-
plus
1 is equal to 13.
right. So what we will write here?
2.
2 6 are 12 plus 1 is 13. What we will write here?
3.
Right.
3.
And 1 will be
1 carry.
okay. फिर क्या करेंगे?
1 into 2.
That will be
2.
and then
Then plus 1 is equal to 3.
so what will be the answer?
3 3 0.
Right. ठीक है. फिर हम second step क्या करेंगे?
1 into 5.
ठीक है. फिर हम 165 into
165 will be 165 answer.
and the answer will be 165. क्योंकि हम 1 से multiply कर रहे हैं, the number will be itself. Then what is the third step? We will
add it.
how will we add this?
0 will come 0.
हाँ.
Then 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. It will come 8. Then 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Then plus 1.
ओके, ठीक है. हम इसको जब ऐड करते हैं, सो वी विल रिमेम्बर कि जब भी हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं और हम ऐड करेंगे नंबर्स, तो जो वंस प्लेस है वहां पे हमें 0 या फिर क्रॉस लगाना पड़ता है, राइट? सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज वंस प्लेस पे हम 0 या क्रॉस लगाएंगे और 165 यहाँ से लिखेंगे. ठीक है?
165, yes.
Just a second. Okay, and then what we will do is we will basically add these two numbers. जब हम
Add,
इनको add करेंगे, so what will be our answer? Our answer will be 1980. ठीक है?
0.
So this is how we will multiply and solve our word problem. Okay? Did we all understand how we did this? अगर हम सब clear हैं, we all understood how we did this. Will all give me a thumbs up or type a yes on the chat box if you understood कि कैसे किया, if you understood word problem को कैसे solve करते हैं, and then finally multiplication में करके answer कैसे आता है. Okay, thank you. If you have doubts, if you still have doubts, please raise your hand. Thank you everybody who typed on the chat box and gave me a thumbs up. Okay, I got one person raising hand. Okay. And there is one who has given me cross. Kirti, I think you also have some issue or problem understanding it. Okay, great. Great. Those who have problems, please stay with it. एक मिनट के लिए we'll stay with it. What I'll do is I'll move to the next slide and I'll give the practice question for others to solve, and those who have doubts will solve with me. Okay, I hope that works. So this is the task 3 that Chutki has to complete. I want one of you to quickly read and others to solve it in your notebooks. सब लोग इसे अपनी notebooks में solve करेंगे and then type the answer that is there on the chat box. Okay? What we are going to do, Sindhu? Sindhu, what, what we are going to do?
Solve this.
Yes, we have to solve this. कहाँ solve करना है?
Notebook.
Yes, we have to solve this question. We'll solve these questions in our notebook properly and then share the answer on the chat box. Okay? Your time starts now. Those who have still have problem or doubts, we will solve it together again. Okay? So I think it was Ashwini who raised her hand. Ashwini, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, दीदी. For दीदी ये जो आंसर है ना 1615 for दीदी वो आंसर लाने के लिए हमें किससे किसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है?
देखो अश्विनी, also everybody else, those who doesn't know this, multiplication में order जरूरी नहीं होता, right? 165 को 12 से multiply करो या 12 को 165 से multiply करो, the answer will be same, right? जैसे tell me Ashwini, what is 2 sevens are?
2
sevens are? Yes.
40 दीदी.
14, right? Now tell me what is 7 twos are?
7 twos are 40.
Right? So 2 को 7 से multiply करो या 7 को 2 से multiply करो, आंसर 14 होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर हम 2 को 7 times plus करेंगे तो 14 आएगा, या 7 को 2 times plus करेंगे तो भी 14 आएगा, right? So this is the property of multiplication. तो अब 165 को 12 से multiply करो या 12 को 165 से, आंसर सेम आएगा. Okay? Now the trick here is कि हम हमेशा छोटे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं जिससे हमें कम स्टेप्स में मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम कर पाए. ठीक है? So it is easier to solve that way. इसलिए हम 165 को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Okay? And then we will reach to the answer. Did you understand, Ashwini?
Okay. Yes, दीदी.
Okay. So if you understood what we have to do, complete the task 3. ठीक है? Quickly read it and complete task 3 in your notebook and share the answer on the chat box. Okay?
Okay, दीदी.
I'm clearing the feedback, guys. Again, if you have doubt, please raise your hand again. And those who are typing the response on the chat box, very good. You have been doing it very quickly. Thank you, Savya. Kirti, Krishna. That is very quick. Okay, very good. I can also see Nasima sharing her photo of her notebook. It is good that you solve it very quickly, but in word problems, always remember when you are solving, please write down the statements properly. ठीक है? आंसर फाइंड आउट करना मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस में इजीली आप कर सकते हो, पर जब हम वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व करना चाहिए. ओके, वी लर्न हाउ टू सॉल्व इट, राइट? So thank you, Kirti, Nasima. Thank you, Ankita, Tanshri, Lucky. Okay. Thank you, Mau, Sindhu. I'll give 30 more seconds. Quickly solve it and share your answer on the chat box. Okay. Good. Thank you. Thank you, Rohan. Kirti, I got you. I got you. Okay. Lavina, Aryan, Shravani, Archana, waiting for your responses, guys. Thank you, Shruti. Minoli, please solve it. Abhishek, Sakshi, Sainath. It's okay, Sufyan, no problem. Sufyan, you can read the question and try to solve it, okay? Zeenath, waiting for your response as well. Thank you, Mayuri. Thank you, Karan. Okay, cool, guys. If you are still solving, please solve completely. I will ask one of you, those who have solved, to tell us how will we approach this question. Okay? Thank you, Shravani. Okay, let me ask Mau. Mau, tell me how will we solve this? What is the problem? What we have to find and how we will solve this? Quickly unmute and tell me. Mau,
Yes, Didi.
tell us what is the problem?
Uh, वो चुटकी want to distribute laddus to her classmate. She decide to make more laddus. There are 56 students in her class. She will give 6 laddus each student. How many laddus she will have to prepare?
Okay, so tell me what are the steps that we'll follow?
We have to do multiplication.
That's the logic now. We have to do multiplication. पर जब हम word problem solve करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं सबसे पहले?
क्लू ढूंढते हैं सबसे पहले.
Right. We'll find out what data points are already given. पहले से हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? So what is already given, Mau?
Given her there are 56 students in her class.
Yes. So we know first thing 56 students हैं उसकी class में. Second thing what we know?
She want to give 6 laddus to each student.
Right, very direct. 56 students hai, har student ko 6 laddus she want to distribute. So what we have to find out now?
We have to find out how many laddus he will prepare.
तो उसको कितने लड्डू टोटल बनाने पड़ेंगे जिससे वो सभी बच्चों को लड्डूस दे पाए, राइट? सो वी विल, जैसे तुमने पहले ही लॉजिक बताया, वी विल क्विकली मल्टीप्लाई. Okay, so this is how we will solve. So we'll quickly multiply 56 with 6 and the answer would be 336. And all of you have given the correct answer. So well done, very good. Okay, all of you who responded on the chat box have given the correct answer. So we will quickly multiply 56 into 6. Okay, the correct answer is 336. Well, very good. Okay, I'm very happy. Thank you so much for helping Chutki. Now she's giving you all laddus. So you all can eat laddus if you want. Okay. And I quickly wanted you all to do some practice in the class. But since we have had a discussion and we have extended the class, I will actually shift these practice questions. We will reduce practice question to 2 or 3 in the class. And then we will move to the next part. But before we do this, I want a quick poll from you all as to how clear are you now in terms of solving word problems of multiplication. 0 to 5. 0 means mujhe nahi samajh aaya, I am very confused. To 5 as in I got it, how to solve it. I can try and approach solving it. Okay. I love Vinayak's response of 4.5. Most of you are at a 5. Some of you are at like 1010. Very good. Okay. Okay. So the class seems pretty confident about solving multiplication word problems, and that is very good to hear. I saw only 2 of you responding who were at a 4 or at a 3, which is okay to be. Jab hum practice karenge, so we'll be able to gain that confidence. Okay. So now before I give you things to practice, what I want is you all to take a very serious break. Please relax, sit down, drink some water, blink your eyes. If you want, just get up from your desk, go and take a walk and come back. Okay? We are running out of time, so we'll take a break of only 2 minutes. Okay? It is 1:43. We will all come back at 1:45. Okay? Quickly take this break. You can switch off your videos if you want. Right? I can see some hand raised. I will give you chance after we all come back from the break. Okay? I'll stop sharing my screen as well. Nasima, did you drink some water or something? Break, take a break. Go drink some water. Sufyan, have some water. You just came from school, right? Must. Yuvraj is like, I will lie down. Very good. Good, Yuvraj, you can lie down. Good. I can see Kirti drinking water. Ankita. Thank you, Diksha, for the thumbs up. I can see Sindhu is back. She's writing she's back. Okay. Thank you, Yogita and Omkar, Sindhu, Mau, Kirti, Aryan. Okay. Still some time left. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Karan, for typing on the chat box. Okay, guys, we'll all start coming back to the screen. Okay, we'll all do this. Yes. Okay, I'll unmute you. You all can unmute yourselves and just do it. I'll see कौन सबसे तेज बजाता है. Okay. Okay. अगर किसी से नहीं आता, is there anybody in the class who can't do this? I just asked this earlier. किसी कोई ऐसा है जिससे नहीं होता? कुछ लोग होते हैं who can't do this. I can see Yuvraj enjoying doing it. Those who are on, those who have switched off their videos, I can't see you doing it, but I hope you are. This helps you regain your focus. Okay. Thank you, Lakshmi and Neera. Okay. Good. You all are back. I can see you all are back. I'm muting you all. Focus, focus again. Focus. Okay. Okay. So there are practice questions, and I'll give you. We'll solve 2 questions in the class so that we are confident, a bit more confident, and I'll give rest of the questions to you on the group so that you can solve. Okay. Uske baad I have a very important question to discuss in the class, and we'll do that. And after that, we can end the class. Okay. So just a second. Yes. These are some practice questions. We will solve question number 3 and question number 5 in the class. Okay? कौन से questions we will solve, Vinayak? We will solve which questions in the class? Question, Vinayak. I hope you're back. Can you unmute and tell me which questions we will solve in the class? Okay, no response. I think he hasn't been back yet. Lucky, you tell me which questions we'll be solving.
Question 3 and 5.
Right. So in the class, we will solve these 2 questions right now. Solve it in your notebook and type the response on the chat box as well. I will give rest of the questions in your homework. Okay, so we'll solve question number 3, solve question number 5. We will take 7 minutes, around 7 minutes to solve these 2 questions in our notebooks. Okay. I will also ask some of you to read. Sarah, you were raising your hand. Is there something you want to ask? Just a second. I think she dropped off. Okay, no problem. Roshni, you were raising your hand. क्या हुआ?
No, really,
Roshni? Okay. I can see some of you solving the questions in your notebook. If at any point any of you has any doubt, we are in the class, okay? We can ask our doubts. अगर कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा या कुछ doubt है तो. Question number 3 and question number 5. Kedar, can you unmute yourself? Are you there in the class? Okay. Yes, Kedar.
Yes.
You're solving, right? Did you understand? क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करना है? यस और नो?
Question number 3.
यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 समझ में आया? आर यू सॉल्विंग?
One minute, I'm writing.
No problem, solve it. I was just asking if you are able to do it. No problem, you can take your time. Yes, Ankita?
Yes, Didi, can I tell answer?
You have solved it now, so just type on the chat box. We'll wait for others also to solve. Okay,
Okay.
so there are 4 more minutes, sorry, so we'll give them time. I can see Sindhu, Archana raising hands. Yes, Archana? You have raised your hand, bache. Okay, Sindhu, you wanted to speak something?
Yes, Didi.
बोलो, क्या हुआ?
Question, Didi. Answer.
You have solved it. Okay, no problem. Just keep it to yourself. हम बाद में discuss करेंगे, ठीक है? If you are done with both the questions, please share your answers on the chat box. You can also show your notebooks to me like Diksha is doing right now. Okay, thank you, Diksha. Let me just see. Thank you, Rohan. Rohan, you have solved the questions. Very good. As I have told you, word problems, हमेशा we will solve it with proper statements. Okay, if there are word problems, statement के साथ step by step we should solve. ठीक है? Try doing it all the time. उससे ही practice बना रहेगा. Okay? It is good that we are good at logic, and that is very important. But at the same time, we should also write statements when there are word problems. Okay? And this is for everybody. Okay. Thank you, Krishna, Manjushri, Sabia. I would love to hear from Riya, Vinayak, Zeenat, Snehal, Lakshmi, Neerab, Sanskruti, Yash. Okay, 1 more minute, guys, and then we'll come back. Okay. Only question 3 and 5, and if you have completed, you can try solving other questions as well. Manjushri, were you able to solve the questions? Yes.
Yes, Didi.
Okay, so quickly tell me
Yes.
how will we solve question number 3?
Yes, Didi. First we write first the जो हमने ये किया है ना prayer for plus cost. तो पहले वो लिखेंगे 347.
Then
we write how much word 17. Yes.
Okay, so first we will write एक scissors का cost is 347. Then we will write how many pairs of scissors does we need to find out the cost. We need to find out cost for 17 pairs of scissors. Then what we will do? How will we find the cost?
Yes.
कैसे करेंगे हम?
Didi, then we have to 347 multiplied by 70.
Right, absolutely correct. So excellent. So what we have to do? We have to quickly multiply 347 into 17. Multiply क्यों करेंगे? क्यों? क्योंकि एक अगर scissors, एक कैंची का price is 347. So 17 scissors का क्या price होगा? हम 17 times 347 को add करके निकाल सकते हैं. Repeated addition is actually multiplication. So we can quickly multiply 347 with 17 and we will get our answer. What is the answer, Manjushri?
Answer is our answer is 5,800
5,899. What are you saying? फिर से बोलो.
59.
Okay, so Manjushri says that when she multiplies
5,800
ठीक है, when she multiplies 347 with 17, she is getting the answer 5,899. Okay, is Manjushri right? कितने लोगों का आंसर 5,899 आया? Please give me a thumbs up. Okay, I can see Diksha, Krishna. Okay. Yes, correct. The response, the answer is 5,899. Okay, so we'll quickly multiply 347 into 17.
Yes.
Okay, great. So those who got 5,899 is the correct answer. I can see most of you in the chat box, जिन्होंने भी मुझे response दिया है, have got this correct answer, right? If your answer was wrong, please recheck it once. और अगर doubt है, then ask me. ठीक है? Next, moving quickly to question number 5. Thank you, Manjushri, for explaining it so well. Mute yourself, guys. Last question, let me quickly ask. Rohan, can you unmute yourself and tell us how we will solve question number 5? Sorry,
Yes, Didi.
just a second, okay? Let me reshare my screen. I'm sorry. Question number 5 कैसे करा है रोहन आपने?
Didi, I take first 154.
What is 154, Rohan?
154 word on each package.
हर पेज में 154 words हैं, so we will first note down there are 154 words in each page. Then what we have to do?
And 12 pages are there.
So we know that there are total number of pages in the books are 12. ठीक है? What we have to find?
We want to find
We have to find how many words are there in the book. ठीक है? तो अगर एक बुक के एक पेज में 154 words हैं and there are 12 pages in the book, we have to find out how many total words are there in the book. ठीक है? So how will we do that, Rohan?
Didi, I multiplied 2 4s are 8.
Okay, you multiplied 154 with 12, right? यही किया था ना हमने?
Yes.
Okay. So what answer did you get, Rohan?
1,848.
Absolutely correct. And most of you, if I can see on the chat box, have actually solved it correctly. And the correct answer is 1,848. If your answer was not this, agar ye nahi aaya tha, please recheck it once. And if you have doubt, we will connect later and solve it. Okay, great. I will also give these questions on the WhatsApp group. Please solve the questions so that you can practice it more. Okay, we will quickly move forward to the very important question that I wanted to ask you all. Okay, and I know we have only 3 minutes left to the class, but I'm sure we can complete this, and then afterwards we can take a leave. Okay. Okay. Just a second, guys. Before we move forward, we have Abhilash Bhaiya with us. Abhilash Bhaiya, would you like to come off mute for like a minute and talk to the students once? Yeah.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, we all can unmute and say hi to Abhilash Bhaiya as well.
Hi. Hi, Avinash Bhaiya. Hi.
Bye, Didi. Bye, Didi.
Hello,
We
Avinash
Bye,
Bhaiya.
Didi.
are not going anywhere, guys. We are waiting. Abhilash Bhaiya say we'll say we'll talk, and there is one more thing we have to complete. Okay. Yes, Abhilash Bhaiya. Muting
Hi,
again.
Avinash Bhaiya.
Okay, I'm sorry I had to mute you all. Yes, Abhilash Bhaiya.
आप लोग ने कितने स्मार्टली आंसर किया आज क्लास में? जो दीदी आपको सिखा रही थी, आप लोग ने कितने अच्छे से आंसर किया. इट वाज सो गुड टू सी all of you being so attentive and so on task. It was really nice. Thank you so much for having me, everyone.
Thank you so much, Abhilash Bhaiya.
Thank you.
Guys, Abhilash Bhaiya has to go, so he has some other commitments. So thank you, Abhilash Bhaiya.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Okay, guys. ठीक है. I will Yes. ठीक है. There is only one more thing left for the class and we will quickly answer that and then we can leave. Okay. उससे ज़्यादा time नहीं लूँगी. Very important question I have for you all, and that is, what is this division? What problems do we have with division? What comes to your mind when you hear the word division? जब भी कोई बोलता है divide करना है, what comes to your mind? Okay. I am sharing one link with you all. ठीक है, आई एम शेयरिंग 1 Mentimeter link with you all on the chat box. Give me 1 minute. ठीक है, and we will type our responses on the chat box. ठीक है, हम उस link पे जाएंगे and 3 words that come to our mind when we think of multiplication is what we will type. ठीक है, please go to this link. Please everybody go to the link that I have shared. And we will all type our responses, that what comes to our mind when we hear the word division. What are the, किसी को simple भी लग सकता है, right? किसी को difficult लगता है, किसी को simple लगता है. Whatever comes to the mind. ठीक है, क्या problem है? We'll not think of कैसे करते हैं. We'll all think of what we think about division. ठीक है. Some may fear it, some may love it, some may find it easy, some may find it difficult. So we'll just type the words that we associate with division. Okay, and I can see some 3 words, 2-letter words which I don't understand. Guys, be very honest and good and write your exact feelings. Okay, waiting for people to respond. Okay, wait, we'll wait for responses that we are getting. Okay, still those words. Okay, hard, little hard. Okay, some of you associated with multiply, multiple. Some of you associate with addition. Some of you find it easy. Okay, some of you think of tables when you think of division. Okay, what about others? What we are looking here is ना कि हम जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जिन्हें division difficult लगता होगा या जिन्हें easy लगता होगा, जिन्हें समझ नहीं आता होगा, and it's okay. ठीक है, yeah, some of you find it super important. Okay, some of you find it sometimes very easy, sometimes difficult. Okay, okay, giving it equally. Okay, some of it consider it like okay, बाकी सारे topics की तरह ही है. So we have a very mixed response to what we think of division. Okay? Yes, I do not find one word coming up together, but yes, there are different opinions of division, and only thing to remember is, yes, it can be difficult, but difficult तभी लगता है जब हमें actually समझ नहीं आया होता है कि हमें करना क्या है. Okay, when we know how to do, we'll find it easy. When we don't know how to solve, okay, we can find it difficult. Okay, so in our classes now, जो आगे हम classes करेंगे, we will be focusing on division. But to divide and to divide it properly, we need to know multiplication very, very nicely. Why I am saying so is because division is nothing but repeated, but the opposite of multiplication. ठीक है, जैसे multiplication है बार बार add करो, वैसे division is repeated subtraction, and it is the opposite of multiplication. So if you know the tables, you'd be able to do division also easily. ठीक है, so in the next classes we will start division. Very important, because I know most of you find it very difficult. There are people who have told me कि दीदी division पढ़ाओ. So we'll बहुत sincerely will attend these classes and learn, clear all our concepts of division. And we will always remember one thing, and I want Mayuri to read it for us. Mayuri, can you read it, or read the code that is written on screen?
Yes, it's okay to be scared, but don't let that fear overpower your mind and control you.
Right? It is okay अगर हमें किसी चीज से डर लगता है. It is okay if we are not able to do certain things, but never let that fear overpower you. ठीक है, उसको overtake मत करने दो अपने brain को. Don't let it control you. ठीक है, अगर problem है, learn how to solve it and solve it. So division difficult लगता है, no problem. we will learn how to divide, we'll practice our lot, बहुत सारा practice करेंगे, and then we'll be able to do division. ठीक है? So our next class, first part would be we'll learn some tips and tricks of multiplication, and then we will move towards division and we'll understand कि क्या होता है division and the basics of it. ठीक है? This is your homework for today. Okay, first, again I'm telling, please learn and revise tables up to 20, everybody. I will share multiplication word problem worksheet with you. Please solve it, practice it again and again. उस worksheet में you will also find link जहाँ देख सकते हो कि कैसे multiply करते हैं अगर doubt है तो. It will also have a video, division का video. Please watch that video before the next class. ठीक है? Your SEL task for the day is you have to reflect and think what makes you happy. Make a list of 10 things that make you happy. Also think and answer what makes other people around you happy. ठीक है? जैसे आपकी मम्मी या आपके पापा को किस चीज से खुशी मिलती है. So just write down things that make others happy. ठीक है? Your GK task, which will be helpful for your Friday quiz, is learn and revise all the states and capitals of India. ये हमने पिछले बार भी किया था, but there were confusions. So please map में identify करना सीखो, सारे states और capitals learn करो. And finally, this is midweek. हम Wednesday पे आ गए हैं. Whatever goals we set on Monday, please see where are we in terms of the goals. अगर हमारा goal था सारी class attend करना, think कि हमने सारी classes attend करी अभी तक या नहीं, या homework सारा हमने किया कि नहीं, जो भी goal था, please review where you are in terms of those goals. Okay, so that's our homework for today, and that's what our class for today looks like. If you have anything to ask, please stay back. If not, you can leave and have lunch. Please join 3 o'clock class of Harmeet Didi. 8th class students, lot of complaints you are not joining Marathi Hindi classes, and similar to other class students as well. Please attend all the classes, complete your homework. Also, bank account सारे students को